Whoa, 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 Danny, Danny.
Woo! Hey guys, here Dan here along with Ed. We're back out here on his pontoon for the third catfish tournament live stream. This is the live bait challenge, so we got to use the live bait tonight. So this is going to be fun. We got a whole variety. We got goldfish, we got chubs, we got bluegill, night crawlers, a little bit of everything. We haven't netted any shad though. Ed's kind of upset about that. We'll see what we can do and see if we can get by without the main source around here that everybody likes using. So just stay tuned. Hopefully we'll catch a nice one. Dude, go on. There he goes. Oh. Ouch.
I knew there was one up in there.
Did he take it or just drop it?
We dropped it. We'll see if he comes back. Or he might have pulled it off, but I'll give it a little bit. Got him.
Northernview, fish on. Need to hit.
Probably not.
Well, just be on the safe side. Don't want it coming off, do you?
A channel, oh, I got it. A channel hit that. Get up in here. That big chub and a channel hit it.
That's funny.
It don't matter, it's a fish.
Yep. Hey.
What?
Hit one down. Grab that.
What's on that one?
That's the bluegill.
Oh, really? All right.
Fish on, Northernview.
Keep that thing tight. That's your one with your slow gear ratio.
That's a good one.
I would imagine if that's a bluegill.
This is a nice fish though.
All right, I'm gonna come over here on this side of you.
Here, on. Ready? Alright, it's in the net.
That's probably the biggest one.
Alright, hang on, let me loosen the line here for you.
Oh, God.
Hang on, you got caught. There we go. Woo!
Let me get this upper light on.
It's safe to say this one beats our first one.
That one might be 30.
We'll probably wait just because it might be my personal BP, so.
We'll get a length on it too, because it's. Oh, come back here.
I know, I'm getting it. Make sure we're on the.
Oh, come back here. Oh, yeah, GoPro.
Yeah.
24 pounds exactly.
Oof. 24 pounds exactly.
What was your PB?
Well, the one we knew was a 22.
So,
but
that would be a PB weight that you know.
That I know.
Now hold the grippers, and what you'll do and you'll pull up.
Pull it, yeah.
Yeah, and it'll release.
That wasn't in there 3 seconds. Go!
That was a big bluegill too, wasn't it?
Yeah. Well, there was... Oh, dude, you know, like, I got a bunch of different kinds. You pick what you want.
Whoa, 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 Danny, Danny!
Northernview, fish on!
Fish on. Don't let him get off. Crank down on him.
That's another good one, too.
Yeah, God, don't let him get off.
Swimming towards me. Oh!
Oh, crank, 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 crank. Get him.
He's getting in my other lines.
Don't worry about that.
Ooh.
Keep bringing. What was that? Don't let him get in the motor. Get the rod out. Step away from the motor.
This is definitely a BP. This is definitely a BP if I can get him in here.
I gotta be able to see him. There's your BP.
Yeah.
Oh, this one's a big one.
Ah! Woo!
That one's over 30.
Oh! Yeah! Woo!
Good job, man.
Thank you. As
All
I
right,
just
get them things in there. That didn't pull us off the bank, did it?
I don't think
we're
so.
still good. 30.60.
calm down, buddy.
There.
30.60.
Yeah.
There we go. Hey, that's my new PB.
Well,
Come
don't
on.
let him beat you to death.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Yeah.
Oh, settle down.
Congratulations with your PB.
Thank you.
All right, now can you like tilt him on this? All right. Now, yeah, hold up above the thing.
Yep.
Now see if you can get him down in there without falling in.
I'll move the net for one.
Well, if he does, it'll be a blooper then. Stick him all the way down in the water before you release it. Don't lose my thing.
Here you go. Woo. I feel like fishing tonight.
All right, yep. Just let him take. Let him take. Got one on.
We're muted.
How do I unmute it?
Look for the
Left.
yeah.
Got one on. Keep breaking. Here. Step off to your left. Let me get these in.
It's that bluegill.
Alright, try to keep him out of mine. Come over to your right.
Up and under.
Alright.
Another good one.
Alright.
I think this. Hey, you know what? I think this is my platy.
Alright, don't hold him. Remember, keep him out of the motor. Nope. Oh.
Got it?
Yeah. Well, you might have just beat your PB again. Dang it.
This might be another PB breaker.
What? What is it with you tonight?
Oh.
Turn that Turn that thing down. The
Yeah.
light down towards me.
Yeah.
32.4.
32. 32.4.
32.41.
41. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're on Hoover.
Nice fish. Nice.
All right. Well, you do a different pose with him. It's up to you.
Sure it was on the camera.
Maybe he needed a potty break.
Get him up on your shoulder.
Oh.
Like that. Yep. Just like that. All right. Go ahead and get him in.
Yep. Here, move the.
Do not lose my thingies.
Yeah, get the out of the road. No.
Yep. Walk back behind you. I guess tonight's not my night.
18 minutes, fellas. 18 minutes. You know, the first like 12 hours of this went really fast.
All right, come on.
12 minutes is going so slow. What was the length on that? 38?
Oh, I hit the button and it's not releasing.
Oh, crap. Yeah, 38.
There you go, buddy. All right. After it was all said and done, we've caught 4 fish. Ed caught his one channel that started us off. Then I caught 3 blues, breaking my personal best 3 different times, which is kind of awesome. I never would expect that to happen in one setting. So now we lost in sudden death, so we're waiting on the final tally, what we're going to place. My personal guess, since we had the longest fish, I think we're going to be in second.
Second or third, I say. At least the top 3, I would hope.
Yeah. So hopefully we break the top 10. So if anything, just stay tuned to the channel. We'll update you whenever we come back out fishing. We'll give you an update of how we're doing. And see you guys next time. Thanks for stopping by.